Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? I can be empathetic without being consumed by struggles that are not mine to carry. Make today your day. Do something you enjoy. Make time for something you love, whether it's reading, listening to music, spending time in nature, talking with someone, or pursuing a hobby. Self-love. You are worthy and deserving of all the abundance in the universe. Treat yourself with the love and respect you desire, and others will follow suit. Underwater gardens. Nurture the garden of your heart, cultivating seeds of compassion, gratitude, and forgiveness. Inner child healing. I honor and nurture my inner child, tenderly healing the wounds of the past and embracing the pure joy and innocence within me. I release any pain or burdens, allowing my inner child to flourish and infuse my life with boundless happiness. Cultivate your happiness. Happiness, like a garden, needs tending. Cultivate it daily with positive thoughts and actions. All right, let's pick this for our messages. ASAP is as slow as possible, as soft as possible, as sustainable as possible, as sincere as possible, as steady as possible. Allow space and pause. Trauma isn't stored in the mind. It is an experience stored in the body. Your nervous system learned long ago how to survive. Numb it out, shut it down, leave the body so you don't have to feel, but you can heal this. Life is a journey. We each travel our own path. No one is ahead or up or behind. We're all on our own unique timeline, so trust the process and celebrate every step you take. Today, I will not overthink. I simply will not think at all. Our thoughts have the power to bring joy or sadness depending on what we expect or look for in our surroundings. We are always free to change things when they don't please us. What are you changing today? I'm always getting stuck in my head. So I'm trying to make it a nice place to be. When do you feel most insecure? And what triggers these feelings? Dig deep and do some research on the topic. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.